Hey man.
Yo. What's up?
I'm here to fix things. You know, Rolex says you can fix anything.
We're the best. We're the best.
Yeah.
Alright. Let me take a look. Wow. Almost. Let me take a closer look with my magnifying glasses.
Alright.
See if this actually is real.
Isn't that your glasses though?
Do you work here?
Nah, but I'm just saying.
Then let me do my job.
Alright man.
Oh,
I don't think it works, but okay.
25 cents vending machine. Fucking fake ass Rolex, eh? I see why it's broken. See that 99 cents charger.
It's not, but okay.
Alright. Have you been here before?
Nah. It's my first time. I heard you
Take
guys
your-
are good.
We're one of the best. Alright, let me take your information. What's your name?
Johnny?
Johnny. Okay, what's your last name?
Bravo.
Alright. And your number?
562
Okay.
55
55
5
5
69
69.
69.
Shit. That's just not even 7 digits, but alright. We have this new policy where you gotta pay in advance before we get a start to it. So I'll take that total with you. It'll be the fake Rolex, the 99 cent store charger.
Mm-hmm.
It'll be 200.
It's not pricey.
We're one of the best. We're one of the best.
Alright, I better see it fixed.
You got it?
Like I first got it.
Okay. Well, let me check this shit's real. Can trust no person with the fake Rolex.
It's real though.
Alright, we'll give you a call.
Alright man.
Alright.
Two hours later.
Alright. Okay. Yeah, just come down the shop and I'll take a look at it. Yeah, alright. We'll see you. Alright, bye. Bye.
Finished?
You're back. Alright. I'm sorry that it took longer than what I expected.
Try an hour longer.
But the thing is that we came to a solution. We got bad news and good news.
Start with the news.
No, we're gonna start with the bad.
Why?
No question me, sir.
Alright.
Alright, the bad news. We couldn't. You're fired. You're fired. You're just fired.
Why?
But there's always a good news.
That's true.
So the good news is who am I kidding, bro? That's not good news.
What you mean?
We couldn't fix it, bro.
But I paid $200. You says we fix anything.
You come in my shop with the fake ass Rolex.
It's not fake.
Look at the mold.
That's not mold.
What is it?
Cheese fell onto it.
Cheese?
Yes.
What the fuck? Okay, alright, whatever. I don't even want to know. And then you come with the 99 cent store. Why couldn't you just buy another one from the 99?
It's not from the 99. It's from Apple.
Alright. But you know, the problem, the main point is we know why it happened.
Why? Just give it to me.
We thought about it.
Who's we?
Me and the technician. And so we see the problem that it's broken, dude.
No shit is broke. That's why I came here in the first place.
I suggest you should just get a new one.
I can't. I spent all my money here because you said you're the best of the best.
Yeah, we're the best.
Can I at least get my money back?
I can't do that. Don't you see the sign? You can't get it on the refunds.
Doesn't matter.
What you mean doesn't matter?
Just give me on the,
On the
without
what?
nobody knowing.
I can't do that, bro. I can't do it. I'm sorry. So,
Oh shit with me and your food.
I hope you enjoyed that. So fat ass.